It started 15 years ago when I was shooting. Shooting food is made for general people, so it's not. I can go there and say, "हम ये नहीं खाएंगे, वो नहीं खाएंगे."
I should pack something healthy and which would, he can survive the whole day.
So that's where the germ idea came up, and she's a dietitian by degree.
He wanted to do it more professionally, and then he gradually started having this idea of making a small kitchen professionally.
We have the largest variety of types of meals. We have regular meal, we have mini meals, we have diet mini meal, we have combination meals, we have Jain meals, fasting meals, sports nutrition, then therapeutic meals.
Even Paryushan, which is like
food for
very
charity,
auspicious.
then packed meals for traveling. I think this is about 10 on the count. So these many types I can remember, but there are more types. There is this very famous music director. His father was terminally ill, and he had to be
On a Ryle's tube, and he had to be fed with all liquid meals throughout the day. Till he survived, we were serving him all the healthy meals, and he was happily getting all nourished.
When somebody actually calls you up and says, "Thank you very much for serving my father. You have done more than what the family could have done," that brings tears to our eyes. Thank you to such clients, and thank God for giving us opportunity to do such work. I feel it's the males who are the most finicky. The general sentiment is men are spoiled by mothers, sisters, wives. ये खाओगे, वो खाओगे. They'll ask menu and make, and कैसे खाओगे, that kind of thing. We had this gentleman. He was in South Bombay working, and he used to live in Borivali, and he would subscribe to our food. And if there was, let's say, plus minus, for example, कि नमक कम हो गया. So he would sit in town, South Bombay, call 33 kilometers away his wife, right, and tell her कि नमक कम है. And then she
Bola
would...
Sonali ko. He
then
would
she
order like that.
She would call her, then we would tell her, and then she would tell him. And this continued for some time. And then finally I told her, कि phone उठा लो, just pick up the phone and ask him what he wants. So men are like that.
Keeping track of so many people's meal and running Vital Foods, probably we miss out on our daily regime of exercise and following the other way, basically.
Well, generally when people wake up and brush their teeth and have
a cup of tea at 7,
she's having
I would
dal
taste dal
chili
at
free,
7 in the morning.
salt free, or probably
Jain.
sabji ban gayi hai, rice chaklo. So
Because my day starts very early, so I need to do that. I mean, my job demands that. But there's no complaint. I enjoy it.
Our biggest support in Vital Foods has been the Dabbawala.
Yeah.
They are a lifeline to Bombay, and they are a lifeline to my clients as well as us. Without them, we would not have been this size. And
They definitely have a better infrastructure.
they definitely, I think there cannot be a better delivery system in the world than what they have.
Trend has changed with the stress. You can say it's standard of living and everything. People have started getting all these ailments at the age of 25 and 30. So a younger generation is also asking for healthy options, which is very good about it.
If you say, I'm going to make meals and you're going to eat it, it's not going to work anymore. 15 years ago, it was right, where somebody said, ye khana hai aur khana hai aapko. Now it's, I want these, so can you send it? That's where we survive. If you're dying to have a sweet something, chocolatey something.
No, don't have chocolate.
No, dying to have something chocolatey, then have a piece of jaggery. That'll finish your sweet tooth stuff.
Yeah, that's true. Charts, one can have something like a sprouts bale or like a corn roasted or boiled or something like a, sauteed kurmura. One is pishu.
Pishu. Yeah, we've been to Pishu.
And Eat Around the Corner, where they
Eat
serve
Around the Corner
good
was
platter
very
of
interesting
salads.
concept. Very interesting
Very
concept.
nice salads.
You have to subscribe to Kitchen on My.
What is wrong with you?
Now you say it.
So, we'll say it together.
You have to like In My Kitchen, right?
Follow.
You have to like, follow.
You have to follow
You have to follow
in my kitchen.
फिजिकल लेबर के साथ साथ नॉलेज भी बहुत जरूरी है. कितना डालना है, कितना नहीं डालना है.
ये बता मेरे को, कौन सी कंट्री का नक्शा देखना है?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया बना दे तू.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.